All right, so we've been, Steve's been over here helping me. He's been training me on the TRM 3016, going through some of the conversational programming. So we're gonna start off, this is gonna be our first chips made on the mill here in my shop. We're gonna start off with a face mill. Just have a 2-inch face mill. And this is, you can see the modeling here. All right, how do we go back so that I can see that now? I was gonna run through the model here.
You go program.
Yeah.
Last one we were just in.
Yeah, last. There we go. Preview right there. So this will show what it's doing. Let's slow that down a little bit. Exit. Preview. There we go. So really simple little thing, but we're going to start off with that. So we'll just mill the top, and then we'll probably do some more features. We've got 4 tools set in there. We've already practiced getting tools set, using the tool setter so that machine knows where all 4 of those tools are at. And we'll probably come in here later and do some more mill in and maybe even some hole making on this little simple block of aluminum. All right, so run program.
F7 menu.
Face block, and now start.
Yep.
And then cycle start.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Here's our first chips, hopefully. Okay. Looking pretty nice. All right. How cool is that? We made our first chips over here on the mill. I will say that these inserts were made for steel. I don't have the ones for aluminum, but we're just using that while we're going through our practice and our training. But there we go. There's our first little milled feature. Very cool. We're ready to run our next feature. We're going to do a simple pocket in our aluminum block there. So we'll check it out here. Go back into preview. You kind of see we're going to be making a sort of a rough clear, and it'll make a finish pass around there. Not very deep. It's 1/8 of an inch total is what we're going to do it. So let's set it up and see if we can make this happen. There it is. Sounded like it worked pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and drill a grid hole pattern in our test piece now. We'll go ahead and run a preview, and you can kind of see what it looks like. This is going to be a 5/16 drill because we're going to go back in later and actually do a tapping cycle on this as well. So let's see here. Exit and run program.
Yep. Menu.
And we need to change. We're not in our whole pattern there. Menu, and then we're going to select bolt pattern rectangle. I think that's what we made, right?
Yep.
Bolt pattern rectangle, select. So now we're in our correct program and we're ready to hit start. Yep. Cycle start. We'll do a tool change and then we'll close it up. So we did set this up as like a chip clearance. Oh yeah, I had the rapids turned down. So it's pecking it though, you can see it. All right, that's looking pretty good. All right, there's our grid hole pattern. Worked out pretty good. Just continue to try to learn a lot of the basic commands that you're going to be using on the machine there. So we'll probably go back in there. We're gonna play around, probably add some more holes. We may do like a hole pattern in the center pocket that right there. And I know we're going to go in there and end up tapping those as well. All right, let's drill a little hole pattern there. We're going to put it right in the center of that circular pocket. We're just going to drill a hole pattern there. It's just another practice exercise. So all right, it's looking good. Clearing the chips nicely. I love that you can actually see what's happening up here, and you can move this around if you need to. You can zoom and pan if you want. Come around here to the back side and see it happening there. Cool stuff. All right, so we've already drilled our holes. Now we're going to go ahead and tap them for 3/8/16. I've got a 3/8 gun tap mounted in there, and hopefully it's going to work out pretty good. So here we go.
Tool number.
3. Enter. Looks like it's working pretty slick. doing some chamfering.